following video demonstrates the process for installation of Renew Link benching. Step 1. Lay the work surface upside down on a protective surface. Install the switch on desired side using the pre-drilled holes and tapping screws. Step 2. Position legs on the surface, making sure the switch cable is positioned under the top casting. C legs should be positioned towards the back of the surface, and T legs in the center. Attach legs using remaining tapping screws. Step 3. Position the support rail to the front of the leg casting. Ensure the switch cable goes through the support rail. Attach the support rail to the casting using button head screws and washers, and then secure the rail to the surface using tapping screws. Step 4. Install the peg foot to the leg using the longer fastener and shorter socket. Ensure that the fastener is installed towards the front edge of the table. Install the glide into the fastener. Step 5. To install the control box, attach Velcro to the work surface and then attach the control box to the Velcro. Plug in all control box cords in sequence, motor cables in sequential order, control switch, and then power cord. Step 6. To install the PHD wire cover, begin by installing 2 grommets, 2 clips, and 2 handles into the wire cover. Screw the 2 hinges into the surface using 4 screws, then install the cover onto the hinges. Step 7. Install the cross brace with provided M8 bolts onto one leg, and then rotate tables to the upright position and attach cross braces to the legs of the other table. Step 8. Attach the electrical bracket to the underside of the electrical crossbar and install the duplex block onto the electrical crossbar. Place the electrical crossbar onto the prong in the cross brace. Using the T30 Torx and 1/4 inch screw, attach the electrical crossbar in 4 locations. Step 9. Install the wire trough by putting it on one side and sliding it into place. Attach using 1/4 inch screw and joining nuts. Step 10. Install the electrical cover over the wire trough and slide into place. Install the door over the wire trough using hinges, nuts, and screws. Repeat on opposite side. Step 11. To install a screen, knock out the 3 larger cutouts in the top of the electrical cover. Screw the bayonets into the trough and tighten with a wrench. Place the screen on the bayonets. Install end covers to finish off the ReNewLink system by placing the end cover over the leg brace.